Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments.
This is day 11 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Today's lesson is very important. It's about sentence structures and patterns.
Yes, if you know how to build sentences in different ways, you can speak English more naturally and more confidently.
Part 1. Basic sentence structures.
Let's begin with the most common structure: subject plus verb plus object. For example, I eat breakfast. She reads a book. They play football.
Easy, right? This is the most basic structure in English.
Now let's try another structure: subject plus verb plus complement.
Example, he is a teacher. The weather is nice.
Here, the complement gives more information about the subject.
Part 2. Expanding structures.
We can also make sentences longer with subject plus verb plus object. Example, she gave me a gift. They sent us a message.
Great! And don't forget about questions.
Yes, for example, what are you doing? Where do you live?
These are WH questions, and we also have yes/no questions. Do you like coffee? Are you ready?
And of course, we can make negative sentences. I don't like spicy food. She isn't here.
Part 3. Sentence pattern variations.
Now comes the fun part: variations.
Let's take one idea and express it in different ways.
Example 1. Feeling hungry. I'm hungry. I want some food. Can I have something to eat?
Example 2. Talking about a friend.
She is my friend. She is someone I trust. I have a friend. She is kind.
Example 3. Asking about music.
Do you like music? Are you interested in music? What kind of music do you like?
See? Same meaning but different patterns.
This makes your English sound more fluent and flexible.
Part 4. Practice situations.
Let's do some practice with real-life situations. Situation 1. Talking about your hobby. I like reading books. Reading is my favorite hobby. One of my hobbies is reading.
Situation 2. Describing your family. I have 2 brothers. There are 2 brothers in my family. My family consists of 4 people: my parents, my brother, and me. Situation 3. Ordering food at a restaurant.
I want a sandwich. Can I have a sandwich, please? I'd like to order a sandwich. Excellent. Try to make at least 3 variations every time you speak.
Part 5. Role play.
Let's do a short role play. I will be the waiter, and you will be the customer.
Good evening. What would you like to order?
I want a pizza.
Could you say that in another way?
Sure. Can I have a pizza, please?
Great. Can you try again with another pattern?
Of course. I'd like to order a pizza.
Perfect. That's 3 different ways of saying the same thing.
This exercise helps you practice flexibility.
Part 6. Mini quiz.
Now let's do a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence, and you try to change it into 2 other patterns.
1. I'm tired. I want to take a rest. Can I have a short break?
Number 2. He is my teacher.
He teaches me English. I have a teacher. He is very helpful.
Number 3. Do you like traveling?
Are you interested in traveling? Where do you usually travel?
Good job. The more you practice, the better you become.
Part 7. Tips for daily practice.
Here are some tips. 1. When you learn a new sentence, try to make 2 or 3 variations. 2. Practice with friends. Ask them to say things in different ways. 3. Record your voice and check if your sentences sound natural.
Remember, English is not about memorizing only one sentence.
It's about using different sentence structures to express the same idea.
So today we learned about sentence structures and patterns.
We saw examples, practiced situations, did role play, and even had a mini quiz.
The key point is don't limit yourself to one way of speaking.
Be flexible, be creative, and keep practicing every day. See you tomorrow in day 11 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.